Let me show you how to generate such brother and sister Raksha Bandhan celebration images by describing detailed prompt using Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. Visit to Microsoft Bing website. Click on Images. From Images select Create. Describe your prompt here. Prompt is displayed as well as provided in description. After describing detailed prompt, click on Create. Here are some results. You can download image from here. We will generate some more images by making some changes in prompt. I have mentioned the prompt changes on screen. Click on Create. Here are some results. We will generate some more images by making some changes in prompt. I have mentioned the prompt changes on screen. Click on Create. Here are some results. That's it for today. Now it's your time to generate such images and share with your brother and sister. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other AI generated tutorials. Thank you.